And I forgot to mention, it's interesting that in verse 10, the angels tell the shepherds, do not be afraid. I don't know if this is the Lord or not, but it just reminds me. I don't know if you guys ever seen the Charlie Brown Christmas movie or show. I think it was on a TV show years and years ago, but you can get the DVD of it. And there's a scene in there where Charlie Brown is trying to figure out what Christmas is all about, and he yells out, "Can anyone tell me what Christmas is all about?" And then Linus comes and begins to read Luke chapter 2 and says, that's what Christmas is all about. But there's also something fascinating, and if you have it, I would encourage you to go watch it later as a family. All throughout that, Linus is holding on to a security blanket. Right? That's what he's holding on to. It makes him feel secure and feel loved. But at that moment where he begins to read Scripture, guess what he does? He lets go of it. Because it's a demonstration, and Charles Schultz, who did the Peanuts comics, said that was on purpose. Because they wanted to show that you don't have to be fearful. That if you know Jesus Christ, He's the one that you then hold on to. You let go of your fears, you let go on of the things of the world that you're trying to find comfort and hold on to, and you let go of those things and you hold on to Christ. And so we see that that's what these shepherds are doing. They even left their sheep that they're supposed to be guarding, and they go and they find this Messiah. And they're not afraid.